Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to do the one text about the Sophia Loren. She is originally from Italy, and but her success story not just to stay in this land, not limited in Europe, and reach the United States. And she is the one of the most beautiful actresses in the world. And I just not admire her beauty and also her career and her dedicated life for her career, and so we are going to learn about her life story and the background. I hope you will like this text. And so also you can check some English and Turkish vocabularies. Then I will have the one text, and so we can try to solve the questions together. Okay, now I'm starting to do it, and now just we will see that there's some pictures of her in every ages, and so you can see that keeping the same level of the beauty and character is really hard. And so now we are going to start to read the text. I'm going to try to read it, and my pronunciation is not the ideal as well, but try to follow it. And also, if you have any issues, and you can check also from the dictionary as well for pronunciation. Okay, we are going to start to do it and try to make the same pronunciation. Okay, I'm starting, and you will follow me. Okay, Sophia Loren, the timeless face of Italian cinema. Few figures in film history embody both artistic excellence and enduring allure as perfectly as Sophia Loren. Born Sofia Villani Siciliano in 1934 in poverty-stricken district near Naples, Loren rose from the obscurity to become one of the most admired actresses of the 20th century. Her story is one of the perseverance, talent, and the quiet power of authenticity in an industry often driven by superficial glamour. Growing up during the devastation of the World War II, Lawrence's childhood was marked by hunger, fear, and instability. Yet these years hardship endowed her with a resilience that would define her later life. At 15, she entered a local beauty contest not to chase fame but simply to earn enough money to help her family. Her striking looks and the natural charisma soon caught the attention of film producers, paving the way for her first minor roles in Italian cinema. Lawrence's ascent was anything but accidental. Under the mentorship of Carlo Ponti, the film producer, who would later become her husband, she honed her craft and developed an acting style that blended emotional depth with the raw sensuality. Her breakout came with The Gold of the Naples 1954, directed by Vittorio De Sica, which showcase her ability to combine humor, vulnerability, and strength in a single performance. International recognition followed swiftly. In 1962, Lauren won the Academy Award for Best Actress for the two women La Chiara, becoming the first performer ever win an Oscar for foreign language role. Unlike many European actresses of her era who were absorbed into the Hollywood system, Lauren refused to abandon her Italian identity. She chose to work in both European and American films, balancing artistic integrity with international fame. Beyond her filmography, Sophia Loren's legacy lies in the authenticity she projected both on and off screen. She often spoke about the beauty as something that emanates from the characters and rather than cosmetics, and a view that they helped redefine the femininity in cinema. In a world that idolizes youth, Lawrence aged gracefully, never chasing the trends, never apologizing for her heritage, and never compromising her dignity. Today, well into her 80s, Lauren remains a symbol of the timeless elegance and strength. Her life stands as a reminder that the true stardom is not about the perfection but about the remaining genuine even when the spotlight burns brightness. Okay, And so this is the text, and I hope you follow me. That was a little bit the C1 level, is a hard task, but we are going to do that with some English vocabularies with the Turkish meaning, okay? And follow me, even you're not a native speaker for Turkish, and you can see that the English meaning as well, okay? Okay, and the words, and they are the hard words that I chose. And the first one is embody. Embody means that somutlaştırmak, okay? And you can also see that the example. Enduring, allure, kalıcı, çekicilik. Obscurity, bilinmezlik. Perseverance, azim, sebat. Authenticity, özgünlük, gerçeklik. Poverty-stricken, yoksulluk içindeki. Resilience, dayanıklılık, direnç. Karizma, as we use it in Turkish, karizma. Paving the way for yol açmak. Okay? Ascent, yükseliş. Mentorship, rehberlik, mentorluk. Hone, ustalığını geliştirmek. Blend, harmanlamak. Breakout, büyük çıkış. Vulnerability, hassasiyet, kırılganlık. Foreign language role, yabancı dilde rol. Artistic integrity, sanatsal bütünlük. Femininity, kadınsılık. Emanate from, yayılmak, kaynaklanmak. Heritage, miras. Timeless elegance, zamansız zarafet. Dignity, onur, vakar. Genuine, gerçek, samimi. Okay, these are our vocabularies, and these are really good vocabularies, and you can use that in your daily life, at your work, at school, at exam, and so you can use that anywhere you can do it. Okay, we can have some questions in here. I'm going to read them, and we are going to do that together. Okay, and so, okay, I'm starting from the first one. What does the text suggest was the main reason Sophia Loren entered a beauty contest as a teenager? Okay, you can look at some of them, and I think correct answer will be yes, it will be D. She needed to support her family financially, letter D. Okay. According to the passage, how did the Carlo Ponti influence Sophia Loren's career? Okay. That is became that her husband later then, and he helped her develop her acting skills and confidence. Okay. Letter B is the correct answer. What made the Lawrence Academy Award in 1962 historically significant? Okay, that is correct answer if I'm not wrong. As you see that she was the first actress to win a non-English performance. Okay, it's going to be that letter C. And in paragraph 5, the word emanates is closest in meaning to yes, you can look at them, but the answer will be letter A. Okay, because emanate means that yayılmak. Okay, and it's going to be results from. Okay, the correct answer will be that this one. And number 5, I'm sorry about it. I closed it with my screen, but I'm going to try to read this. Which of the following best describes Sophia Loren's overall approach to famous? Um, I think the answer will be that she emphasized authenticity and personal values over appearance. Okay, she just care about that the not the cosmetic or beauty. She said that the character and also charisma and can be that the combine that your appearance. Okay, the letter C is going to be the correct answer. And also you can check all the answers in here. I'm just staying in here for a while, and then you can try to read that the whole one, and then we are going to finish our class. Thanks very much again for listening me. And so this was our another video. If you like it, please subscribe, comment, and also you can reach me for the private lessons as well. And you can reach to me. I'm going to leave that in my all informations to down for this video. Thanks very much. See you in next lesson. Bye bye.